Who is that little boy you're looking at? Where's your friend? Look. What? Who is it? Talk to him. Who is that guy? I don't know either.
Who is that, Logan?
Who is that little boy?
Who's in the mirror?
He moves same as I do, Mom. I don't get it.
Are you a little ham? Who's in the mirror?
Every time I move, he moves.
Who's in the mirror?
Who is that? You
Who
got
is
a new
that?
friend.
Are you a ham? You love the camera.
You got a new friend.
You love the camera. Yes.
Yeah.
Can you talk to your friend in the mirror? Huh?
Where's that other little boy? Where'd he go? Logan, where'd he go?
Who's in the mirror? No, your friend is not the TV.
See if you can find him again. Where is that
Who
little
is this,
boy?
Logan? Logan, who is this? Who is this, Logan? Logan, who is this? Look, you can turn. Who is this?
Who's that little boy? Who is it? Talk to him. Talk to him. Say, hi, little boy. Can you come over and play?